Hey everyone, it's Taronda with Blessed to Travel. Welcome back to our channel. So glad you're here to check out another video. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you more great content. Your support means the world to us, and we seriously couldn't do this without you. Also, if you would like to know how we save thousands of dollars each year on cruises, hotel stays, resorts, vacation packages, and more, just click on the link in the description below and we'll share everything. With that being said, let's get to the video. And for the next 5 days, we're living it up at the Sheraton Hotel, right in the middle of the action of Canal Street and Bourbon Street. The Sheraton lobby and check-in area is very welcoming. The elevators to the rooms, you must punch in your floor number and it tells you which elevator to get into. So we're checking into room 4920, which is on the 49th floor. It is a 2 double bed room. Once entering in the room, you have a full-length mirror. It's very spacious. It's very nice and clean. You have a sitting chair in your room. It has a large dresser space, a desk space, and you get complimentary water bottles if you are a Marriott Bonvoy member. And the room also has floor-to-ceiling views of New Orleans on the riverside. And as you view New Orleans, you'll see right now they still have some Super Bowl signage up, but you do get a great view of the Riverwalk, a lot of the hotels in the downtown area, the convention center, and the casino. As you check out the space in the room, the dresser rather is a little dated, but the drawers have a lot of space if you want to take your clothes out of your luggage and put them in the drawers. I will say bring your Clorox wipes and your Lysol. The drawers are clean, but you just want to make sure you wipe down everything before you put your own clothes in the drawers. You have a nice TV. Over under the desk, you have a fridge, mini fridge. So if you have any leftover food or drinks that need to be cooled, that's great to have. You also have a tea and coffee station if you need a quick pick-me-up in the mornings. And then you have ample desk space if you need a workstation to complete any work while you're in the hotel room. The nightstand table by the beds, they do have USB ports and your standard plugs on both sides of the nightstand. The bathrooms were really nice. They were very sleek and modern. You had hand wash soap on the sink as well as lotion. And over in the bathtub area, you do have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash pumps. They will give you bar soap if you want to use bar soap if you don't have your own soap with you. The closet space when you first walk in is very small. It is enough room just for a couple of bags and maybe your shoes. It has the safe inside of the closet. You have your ironing board and a robe if you want to relax in the robe. And then you have the laundry bag if you want to do laundry service with the hotel. Also, here's the Sheraton Rooftop pool on the 8th floor. The hours are 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. and it's not very big, but it needs some renovation as well. If you get a club level room, it does come with access to the club level lounge. So we're going to give you a quick look into the lounge area. They do have complimentary breakfast around 7 a.m. You'll get refreshments around 3 p.m. and then 5 p.m. you get complimentary hors d'oeuvres. But they have plenty of sodas, tea, hot chocolate, coffee. The only thing I didn't like about this lounge is I'm accustomed to seeing the individual bottles of juice, and they didn't have that. They had the gallons of juice, and then you had to pour it in a cup, so I really didn't like that very much. They had a couple of hot items, and they had desserts and chips, fruit bars, and things of that nature, but I didn't really care for this club lounge at this particular location. I've seen better club level lounges, so I would give this lounge maybe a 5 out of 10. Thanks so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It might seem like a small thing, but it makes a huge difference. Your support helps more people discover our content and allows us to keep creating travel videos just like this. We truly appreciate each and every one of you for being a part of our journey. Until next time, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.